No diapers.
You're right. Yeah. No diapers allowed. There's that person threw that diaper in that creek the other day. Or whoever it was. I mean, it was already there, when we came through. Like a truck. Several of these trails we've been down have had truck tires on them today. Could be the trail maintenance guys, I don't know. got traffic coming on. No helmet. Yeah, and the kids, no helmets either, riding double on a single.
No, that was triple.
Triple on a single passenger ATV. That first one was a sport quad, looked like a Yamaha Wolverine or a Warrior. It's either a Wolverine or a Warrior ATV. I couldn't tell about the second one because there's so many people on it. That's all I saw. I didn't pay attention to the brand of it. Yeah. Why are y'all wearing helmets? Why are y'all wearing helmets? That's 73. That's that one you and I tried that time. Look at that bird sitting on that, how blue he is.
Yeah.
That's like a male then, and he's that blue. Look at that rebar right there, a cable. You need to get that out of the path, man. Y'all hear me? Alrighty. I just don't want us to hit that at some point if we're coming through here again. A piece of damn, like, winch, a huge winch cable, like, about as thick as your finger. I threw it in the woods.
Yeah, I don't remember seeing that yesterday.
Yeah, I know. Hard to spot, it's rusty, but I can see it. At first I thought it was stick. I said, no, that's braided cable. But it's so stiff though, if you hit it and it flung up, it tears something up or pops a tire or whatever, you know. No, well that size cable would be like an industrial winch, not like what would be on an ATV. It was the thickness of your finger, so it's probably like off a piece of machinery or a huge truck or something like that. A regular ATV winch cable is about the thickness of a shoestring. Some of these bulldozers that have that ripper attachment on the back, they have a winch to raise and lower that. It could be all something like that, I don't know. And we got a little bit of a descent here, y'all. You may want to grab low. Well, I don't know. Y'all just wait for me to get out and you probably can coach down this. Yeah, just staying high. Choppy, but not as bad as 54 was. Pickup truck tires been through here too. Close to that tree there, it's got poison ivy growing on. I give y'all enough room. Yeah, don't get right against that one. That's the one with the poison ivy on.